Sundar, one the GSA please. Okay, I just realized something. In my previous vlog, I told you I wanted to watch a movie. I did that. I watched that random movie called Focus. It's not a random movie, it is a very good movie. But then, after watching everything, I realized at the end, I've seen that movie before. Hats off to your memory, Simon. Hats off. And look who's here. Dark Horse is back. Pretty happy about it. Now this place has some meaning. Otherwise it is so empty here, dude. The Chotusa Dio, if it is here or not, doesn't matter. It doesn't show. You need a big beast here. Even if I'm gonna sell this, I'm still thinking, I'm not sure about it. Even if I sell this, they should be replaced by a huge bike, right? Anyways, last night by the time I got the bike, almost 1:15 I came, and then I parked the bike. I did not even take the Pioneers. I didn't even check if everything is there in the Pioneers or not. Should be there. Touchwood, everything came without a scratch. But did all the 5 bikes come without a scratch? No. The kind of damages that happened. Some are major, like properly major. Damage 1. Damage 2. Basically they should be straight like this. It went towards the right. I think this went a little bit inside. Worst thing is this one. Handle broke completely. One more thing is this one. And this
entire thing is broken basically. This is broken.
Basically left side of the bike completely full damage.
The tank is not damaged. Tank is fine.
Tank is perfect. Plastic handle to khatarnak damage, and this is also one khatarnak damage, and this frame. Rest all the bikes are fine. The Charan ka bike also thoda sa damage hai, but this is damaged like properly. Okay, there is one small issue in the bike, very minor, like super micro minor issue. See this oil? That's the fork oil that is leaking. I think the fork seal is broken. Usually this happens when you drop your bike into a huge pit. Like if you drop your bike into a proper pothole, this is what happens. Sometimes the fork seals break. Not necessary that it went into a pit, but sometimes it happens due to aging. But yeah, pura oil gaya. That's it. Apart from that, pura bike perfect. I'll get this fork seals replaced. Actually spoke to Triumph. They said that it is not available right now, so it might take 2 to 3 days to get it shipped. Once they get it, let's go and get it replaced. Till then, we have the Street Twin. How do you know you have proper strength? Oh, by the way, the flight. Oh yes, Rayman is vlogging. That is what should happen. How do you know if you have good strength? Lifting 2 panniers with a single hand and 5 fingers. They are properly heavy, dude. Now the big question is, will this Pioneers travel once again? I mean, long rides and all that is gonna definitely happen, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna take the Tiger or not. Even if I don't sell the Tiger, I might be taking the new bike in case I get the new bike by the next long trip. Hopefully I should. Try my best. By the way, update about my Amazon order. Last video I told you that Amazon goofed up. Amazon seller goofed up. I asked for a replacement. They sent a replacement, but once again they goofed up. The reason I wanted a replacement is because you sent me a wrong product. Once again you sent me the same thing? Seriously? Vadu. Anyways, Amazon's got my back, I hope. So I sent it back completely. I asked for a complete refund. They said they'll do it. What product is it? When I get it, actually, not from Amazon this time, I'll get it from maybe an electronic store. When I get it, I'll tell you about that. Alright. Abhi the pending thing that I have to do, go to the BMW showroom, go to the Ducati showroom and get some quotations and all that. Let's see if the bikes are available. I have to start making some financial decisions and all that. Big words. So let's start the process. The first stage, booking and all, I think there is a little bit more time. If they give me a great deal today itself, maybe today itself, let's book it. No idea. Let's go. టేకింగ్ ది స్ట్రీట్ వే అండ్ గోయింగ్. పెట్రోల్ ఖర్చులు బాగా పెరిగినాయి. మినిమం 90+ రూపీస్ ఫర్ అ లీటర్. ఇట్లాంటివన్నీ తెలుగులో చెప్పాలి, ఎందుకంటే లోపలికి వెళ్ళి వస్తాయి, మంచి ఫీల్తో వస్తాయి. ఇప్పుడు 25-30 కిలోమీటర్స్ లీటర్ కంటే పర్లేదు, కానీ ఇలాంటి దున్నపోతుని తీసుకోవాలంటే మినిమం 6 to 7, బాగా ట్రాఫిక్ ఉంటే 7, ఒక లీటర్ పోస్తే 7 కిలోమీటర్స్ ఖతం. మన ఇంగ్లీష్ సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్కి కొంచెం, మన తెలుగు సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ కింద కొంచెం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి. You know, when it comes to selecting a bike brand, I wouldn't go with brands that don't have a proper service network. It is very important, because when you need your spares and all that on time, it is very important to have proper dealership network around the country, because I am not the person who is going to keep a bike in the parking lot. It is always outside. Like, I ride like properly, and when you ride a bike properly, when you take it out enough, you need spares, you need tires, you need brake pads, you need clutch plates, you need a lot of things. You need all the wear and tear parts replaced all the time, at least, you know, once in a year, or depending on how much you ride, twice in a year. And also brand reputation and customer relationship, that is very important. Rank 1 in India, like I always say, Triumph is number 1 when it comes to that. But only reason I'll not be going for a Triumph again is because Triumph again. See, already I'm riding one Triumph. This is gonna stay with me for a long time, or maybe forever. I'll not commit anything, but yeah, as of now I'm thinking I'm gonna keep this bike, because this is a keeper. And what I've done, hardly 1600 kilometers on it, which is like brand new, dude. So we have a Triumph, that too the Tiger. Unfortunately, Triumph doesn't make one more different adventure tourer. I'll have to go with the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro, which is amazing. I rode it and I did not find any flaws in it. It is amazing. Like, major flaws to kuch nahi hai. And it is getting hot, dude. 33 degrees as of now, which is manageable. Only when you stop at a traffic signal with the helmet and all that, it is so irritating. And I'm wearing a crazy woolen balaclava in summer, dude. Okay, anyways, coming to my topic, we need a bike that has good service network. So I'll be eliminating KTM for sure, because people were suggesting me to go with the 1290 Duke, Super Duke. Amazing bike, no doubt, if it had good service dealership. Parts availability is very important when you're going for a premium bike. I don't want to park my bike at home and wait for the part to arrive in the next 2 months. It should literally come from Austria or somewhere. Weird, dude. Nice, very good. అట్లా రైడ్ చేయాలి. అరే, పెట్రోల్. So Super Duke is out. Africa Twin is also kind of out. I'll tell you why. I don't want a bike for off-roading. If you've seen like last 4 years of my riding career, it's always straight roads. Most of the time it's highways or mountains, ghats. This is what we enjoy. Sometimes thoda sa off-road chalega, but majority, right, 95% we do proper good roads. So for that 5%, see, Africa Twin is a very good tourer as well, but 50% of it is dedicated for a proper off-road. It is a nice Dakar range ka bike. So Africa Twin is not making a real great sense for me. Maybe the 1250 GS, it has the highest number of points for me in my mind right now. So yeah, first I'm going to the BMW showroom now. Let's see if we can strike a deal with them. And also Ducati has good dealership network in India. Not the best, but I can give it a close third. First is Triumph, second is BMW, third is Ducati. These are the premium brands that have good dealerships and good customer relationship. One more bike a lot of people were asking me to consider was the new Harley Davidson Pan America, which is absolutely stunning. I really like the design. A lot of people are not liking it, but it's definitely hatke. It is a really new adventure tourer. See, when it comes to cruisers, like proper highway cruisers, I will definitely blindly give it to Harley Davidson. But when it comes to adventure tourers, the BMW, the Triumph, the Ducatis, they make good adventure tourers. They have expertise in that area. Acha, one jaisa garmi is coming from the 900 Bonneville engine. Congratulations, we have some news about your bill. That's very minor, dude. Damage it? Crack. Oh, damage number 1. Or kya? You can ride, but I think you get those vibrations, that sound. Second major damage is Barkbuster. This can be replaced, but a little bit of scrapes here on the engine protector. And one more major damage, not a major damage, but it is a damage. Footrest bent. This needs to be replaced completely. So Charan, front fender, Barkbusters, foot pegs, engine protector guard, top case. This is one thing I forgot. Top case was properly damaged, proper dent was made. Or a cuttato got time iron rod. Bill came up to.
Showroom estimate is around 50,000.
Showroom estimate is 50,000.
Accessories 40,000 worth.
50,000 for foot pegs. Rear foot peg, the whole thing. 11th on fender, plastic mukka, BMW branded. Now I'm having my questions. Do you think I should go for the BMW, dude?
Even if
it's so expensive.
Even if Triumph.
850, 1250 double
Even if Triumph fender breaks, Triumph fender is also 10,000.
Still I'm having double thoughts now. BMW Motorrad looks fancy. They make amazing bikes, but then yes, you have to have like a thick pocket. This is the GS, right? We need GSA in case you're going for a new bike. That would be a GSA. Where is Sundar? Let's talk to the manager, get some deals done.
He has to pay for it.
It can't be leke jao. It is damaged.
ఇది ఏమేం ఫెండర్ కి ఫెండర్ అటు పక్క
పాపం
తిరిగిందిరా
ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది? How do you feel? Genuinely, this is the first time I don't want to joke about this. Like, I was feeling genuinely bad.
జెన్యున్లీ బ్యాడ్ ఏదిరా నిన్న నా మొహం వెళ్తుంది.
Yes, actually, both of them are here. Both the bikes which were destructed. Iska rank 1, iska rank 2.
ర్యాంక్ 1 ఏంట్రా?
Actually, I never seen a bike.
ర్యాంక్ 1 to 10 నేనే. ర్యాంక్ 1 to 10 నేనే. వీళ్ళు 11 వస్తాడు.
ఏం చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నావు? అమ్మేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నావు బండి.
కొత్త ఆఫ్రికా ట్విన్ బాగుందని ఆ రోజే పెట్టాడు. స్లీప్ రా రాత్రి అట్లా చెప్పు.
I mean, after we took the bikes, he was so disappointed. He didn't talk for the next 1 hour.
దీనికి ఒకటే మార్గం.
So you're getting insurance for everything, right?
నీ బండి I'm claiming insurance.
Your handlebar is broken, bro.
Your overall
Like I've never seen a handlebar broken.
Like, bill will be less.
Can a handlebar break?
That's what I'm shocked.
We're all shocked. Like, handlebar can bend. How can it break? The bike exactly looks like it fell from 2 floors. Not 1 floor, 2 floors.
Sure. మన వెనకాల ఉండి.
Anyway, let's celebrate. Let's be positive. Let's celebrate.
ఏంద్రా పాజిటివ్.
By the way, this is one thing nice about the Street Twin. Though it is here, no one is noticing it. Imagine if there was a GS 1200 or GSA or even the Tiger, people would keep noticing it. ఇంకెళ్ళి వస్తుంది గుద్దకుండా పోతే చాలు. పోరా బుజ్జే.
From income tax.
చూపిస్తావు కొంచెం.
You are more than welcome. I'm already short of money.
So that before talking anything, whatever we say, it is always buy one get one. Remember that.
Sundar, one the GSA piece. ఏంటి తీసుకుంటున్నాడు? One BMW GSA piece. There's no money.
Again, buy one get one in that. Bill it to Chaitanya, na?
Negotiations going on. The moment camera comes up, Sundar will be like attentive mode. Give me the best price possible.
Give me the best bike possible.
Best bike possible. See, forget about all of this. I need the best customer service.
Sure.
That is the main thing.
Today Triumph and
You have already experienced with Benelli.
Yeah, Benelli was good. Customer service, that was one thing I really loved about Benelli. Sundar was there in Benelli first. That's how everything started between us. Give me both the quotations, GS and GSA.
I'll give you verbally price.
Managing it is very easy and because seat of
See, నువ్వు దీంట్లోనే ఫ్లో టైం సరిపోతే GSA-లో ఫ్లో టైం సరిపోతుంది.
the basic GS, not the GSA,
Yes.
and seat height is around
30 maybe.
830, and I'm able to flat foot both sides. And best thing is even I can stand a little bit. So this is more comfortable, especially when it comes to off-roading. But now I'm concerned, my confusion is about whether I should go with the GS or the GSA if I go with the BMW. I feel very sorry for the Africa twin, and I can understand the kind of pain Srijan is having. Everything is gonna get covered under insurance, that is for sure, but then we'll not have the bike for at least the next 2 months. I think because these bikes were placed at the starting of the trailer, because there is more sway. This happened. The bikes fell. The way the shipping people have, tied it, they didn't tie it properly for sure. They did not use like proper biking straps. Now, does this mean we're never gonna ship again? No, nothing like that. If we all have time to ride all the way back from Delhi to Hyderabad, we would do it. Of course, I'm bored and all that riding the highways. I keep saying this, but end of the day, it's okay. I can take those 2 days out and I can still ride. And that's not the major issue. Major issue is time. Everything continues. This is how life is. Ups and downs. That is important. You need to have ups and downs. That's how you know you live. Dialogue bangani gani. Anyways, let's stop crying about it, cribbing about it for now. So anyways, I'll end this video right here. In case you have enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care. Tata. Bye bye.